a type of A, right? Type of A, print within the brackets. Always use brackets with the print, not with the space.
I don't understand.
See, string, right? So you haven't given the float input. You need to give the float input. If you print C, then it won't give you any output. And you don't need to write C equals to like A minus B. You need to use loop for that, not directly. First of all, take two float inputs and then you perform addition twice. So for I in range, you want to perform twice. So write 2, so 0 and 1. Then you perform the C and all. That's what I'm talking about.
Okay.
Ryan, is any issue with the sharing screen?
I'm sharing my screen, but I don't think it's showing. I can see my own screen though.
I can see your screen as well. I have a question. Is I like the letter that's like the letter that like puts the number in range?
For I in range, yes. Then we give the number.
Okay.
And how many times do you want to?
Can you see my screen? Because I don't even think if I'm sharing it. Yeah, I'm not sharing my screen.
Only I am.
Yeah.
I can only see. Shayan, you need to take float input, dear, not
Yeah.
integer input.
This is my screen. This one is my screen.
Yeah, this is around.
Okay, who has shared the screen? How to write the, first of all, define the I, then write I, then write I, then give the condition, then here code, then how do you want to go? For example, I equals to I plus 1, 1 with a gap of 1, with a gap of 2, with a gap of 3. How do you want to pursue? That things you need to write down. Okay?
My code got deleted.
Huh?
My code got deleted.
Code got deleted.
Yeah, I reloaded the page because it wasn't working. Should I just redo it?
Let me see. Yeah. So don't write, just only write for the while loop. Yeah. Shan, you are going right. Yeah, define your I. So start from 0. Obviously, you want to print 2 times. So you would be starting from 0, right?
Yeah, so then do I go to 0, 1 and then 2, or do I just go to 0 and 1?
Yeah, after you have defined an initializing step, I equals to 0, then you define while, then give the condition. You want to print 2 times, so I less than equals to 2. It will be 0, 1 and 2. So it will print 3 times, 0, 1 and 2. Because the index starts from 0, right? But if you write only less than 2, so it would be 0 and 1.
So is it fine now?
Yeah. Oh, where is the condition? My God. While where is the condition? Less than 2. My God, both of you. If you just write like this, then the code will be giving you jumping, Japan, jumping, that type of answer. Your code will run here and your output will be there. You're living in UK and giving the answers in US. The answer code would be like that. Show me your main.py once, Shan.
Okay, 1 second.
It's
Can
wrong.
you see me
It's
now?
wrong. It's not completed. It's not completed. Right, while I less than 2. Oh, not like this. See my screen, Shan. I less than 2. Give the operator. And then you write here, now. C equals to A minus B. And you want to print C. Then how many, like how do you want to go? So I want to go 1 by 1. So I equals to I plus 1. That's it. Shan, the code is again wrong. While I colon, I less than 2. Only write I less than 2, then colon. Remove the first I and the colon. Yeah, Ryan, yours is correct. Now, you can say write the while function. While, now write the while loop. Yours is correct, Ryan. No, Ryan. Press enter. Go to the shift. That because you are printing after print function, your for loop. So go to the end of the line, na? Not here. Just go to the end. Click backspace. Yeah, from here you write. Now write I. Define your I. Yeah. Now write I equals to I plus 1. I want to print 2 times. I think guys, you have forgotten the loops and all. You can see that.
Is it meant to change color or not?
No. What is I plus 1? Did you guys understand what is I plus 1 even? You have given, sorry, you have given different output input. I plus 1 means iterate after 1 by 1. For example, the first number is 0. Then 0 plus 1 becomes 1. Then 1 plus 1 becomes 2. And 2 plus 1 becomes 3. 3 plus 1 becomes 4. Understood? That is the meaning of the iteration.
I said that you add 1 each time to I. Like, for example, 0 plus 1 is 1, then 1 plus 1 is 2, and then so on.
Yeah. It is a gap. Now see. Let's see here. If I am starting, see, if I'm writing I equals to 0, means I am starting my I from 0. If I write I equals to 1 by 1, okay, so it would be only print 0 plus 1, that becomes 1. Only one time, not multiple times. Okay, but if we talk about the same thing, talk about that you want to change this, update this multiple times, then we use a for loop for I in range, or for while loop. For example, while I less than 2, the I should run 2 times. So I would be updating my I. I want to print my I. So I want that I should be update 2 times. So first 0 plus 1 becomes 1. Now the I is 1. Next, second time the loop will run. Now the I is 1 plus 1, that becomes 2. So I is less than 2, the loop will stop here. It won't go further. That's how the loop works. Understood?
Yeah.
So it is very, very easy. It's not very, very confusing. Okay, so guys, very, very easy. You just need to understand the logic here. Okay, same thing. If I just write here I equals to I plus 2, so I would be 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2 becomes 2. The loop will stop here because I have written less than 2. If I have written equals to 2, then the 2 would have printed. Otherwise, only 0 would have printed, not 2. Okay,
Okay.
it depends upon how much, what conditions you are giving. Yeah, I less than 4. I now give the condition. If you won't give I equals to I plus 1 or I equals to I plus 2, na, this loop will break your program. This loop will never end. This would be a continuous loop. It will never end. It will destroy your computer and all. So don't run without condition. Always give the condition. It will destroy your program. After print I, write down I equals to I plus 1. And Ryan, at the starting line, I equals to I plus 1, remove that. Give the starting value as 0. You can give starting value as 1, 2, depend upon whatever you need.
Is it like that?
Let me see. Yeah. Now print. So you will be getting 0, 1, 2, 3.
So should I run it?
Yes. Yeah, run it.
Okay.
Just
Is that
write
right?
13 minus 12 is 3. Yeah, but you have printed the C outside. Yeah, no worries. But see, if you want to print the output only one time, so write the print outside the loop. If you want to print the output 3 times, 4 times, you need to write directly after the C. The same line, proper line. Now see why. Just focus here. For I in range 3. I have written C equals to A plus B. I have written print C. Now it's the difference here and the same difference now C here. Now see the difference of both the things. A is not defined. Okay, A is not defined. So let's suppose I give 10, 10, 10, 10. Now let's suppose you run this. Did you see 20, 20, 3 times you have got? Let me just separate this one thing. Did you see? The first loop is only giving you one output as 10, 20, right? See here.
Yeah.
The second loop is giving you three output 20 to 20. Why? Because I have run till 3 times. Means 0, 1, and 2. Because the starting index is always 0 by default. Right? I think you forgot this all. That's why you're getting confused. Understood? Right? So if you want to print your output only one time, write the print function outside the loop like this. If you want to print your output multiple times, then write the print after the C. Clear?
Yep.
Yeah.
Now question. Guys, you can start. You can stop sharing your screen, and now I will ask you the questions. Shall we start one by one?
Yeah.
You guys can stop sharing.
Okay.
Okay. Now, okay, Shan, just tell me. Okay. What is the starting index, Shan?
Yeah. It's just going. Don't you have to like define I first?
No, what is the starting index I'm talking about?
Index as in the I.
Starting index of I. What is starting index of I?
Don't you like have to define I first, like I equals?
Yeah, so the range will give you 10 numbers. That's what is starting index.
Uh, don't you like have to first write I equals I or something like that?
I'm not asking about I. I'm asking about the index. What is the starting index of
Oh,
for
zero.
I in range 10?
Zero.
What is that?
Zero. Zero.
What is the ending index?
9.
How many numbers are there in total?
10.
Huh?
10.
N? Where is the
10.
N? 10. Okay,
Yeah.
10. 0 to 9. Okay, and the numbers would be, can you please tell me the numbers?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, what is I?
Is it just 0?
What is starting index?
1.
What is the ending index?
21. 21.
20. Till 21. We don't print the ending index, right? We always print one before.
Oh, yeah.
Right,
Okay.
Ryan? Okay, yeah, now,
Yeah.
now Ryan. Okay, you can just give the answer. Now Shan, 1 minute. Yeah, how many total values are there, Ryan?
20. 19.
Right. Okay. How many times the C will print?
It will print 19 times.
Will it
Only
print
one.
one?
Only one
Yeah,
time.
it
Oh,
didn't
because
give
the
outside
C is
the loop.
towards the left.
Yeah, it's
The
on
print
the
C is
back
towards
of
the
the
left.
What is the value of C if the A is 20 and the B is 15? The
35.
A is
I-
20 and B is 15.
35.
20. 25? 35.
35. 35.
Okay, okay. Okay, the value of 35. What is C?
C is a variable.
Variable. Okay, very good. What is I?
A variable.
Okay, very good. Shan, clear?
Yeah.
Now your turn.
Okay.
Tell me all the values of I.
So for the values of I, it's I
What is
is
the first
10.
value?
1 second, please. The first value of I is 10.
Okay. Second value of I?
12.
10 plus 2, 12. Third value of I?
14.
14. Third value of I?
16.
Next value of I?
18.
And next value of I?
20.
Will the 20 get print?
No.
Yes, it is equal to 20. Less than equals to 20. See the operator.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. What is the starting index, Shan?
For this question, or like,
Yeah, for this question, what is starting value? Here,
is it 10?
10. And what is the ending?
19.
20. It's equals to 20, right?
Oh, yeah.
Whenever we write equals to 20, that is equals to 20, not like 19 or 20.
Yes,
Oh my god. Okay.
If it says equals to 20, then you don't go one number back. But if it doesn't, then
Yes.
you go one number back.
When we write equals, what is the meaning of equals? I equals 10 means the I will print 10. Okay. Okay. Ryan, tell me the starting index of I.
1.
What is the ending index of I, Rayan?
Is it 19?
19. Very good. Shan, what is the step value? What is the gap of I? Gap
Shall
value.
you say that again?
Huh?
Can you please say that again?
Yeah. What is the step value of the I between these two numbers? What is the value? What is the gap?
Is it a gap of 19?
Huh?
Is
Can
it
I
a
answer?
gap?
Is it a gap of
My
5?
God.
Is it a gap of 5?
Yeah, it's 5. 19. Okay.
Between 1 and 20?
Between the 1 and 20, the gap is 5, right? So with the gap of 5, it will print, right, Shan?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the starting index of C?
Is it 1?
And ending?
5?
Very good. Ryan, what are the values of C? Tell all the values of C.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. How many times the hello world will get print, Ryan?
Which one? There's 2. Like both of them.
This I.
It will get print 19.
1.
1, 2, 3, 4. Like, what am I meant to? Like, is it
Will print
19? 18 because 5 is also getting skipped.
Now see, 18 times the loop will run. Okay, but the loop will run 18 times, but the hello world will get print first index, then leave a gap of 5. What is the next index? After leave the value of 5? 6.
6,
After again leave the value of 5. What is the next index?
11.
After leave again the value of 5, it
16.
becomes 60. Again leave the value of 5, 21. Will 21 will get print? No.
Nope.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times. Shan, how many times the hello world, the C will get print?
Will it be print?
Okay. Do you think it will be printing even because the hello world, it's outside the while loop. It's not even inside the while loop. So this
Oh,
print
okay,
hello
it won't print.
and
It
this
won't print.
print hello are same. So both will run simultaneously 8 times,
Okay, so it will not print.
depending upon whatever I will print. Did you see? Hello world, the first, then the numbers will get print of the C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the hello world will get print this, then again hello world, then the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The hello world for this one, then again the hello world for last one, right? Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5
Yeah.
again. Then again this will run 4 times. 1, 6, 7, 16. Understood? Because the main loop is
Yeah.
the for loop. So for loop, because the while loop is inside the for loop, so it will run